Hey everybody, this is Jeff from TDC bringing you an urgent policy update this morning. Our bill, Senate Bill 2368, our right to repair bill, is up in Senate Commerce today and it is in trouble. The insurance companies have come out against this and we need to flip some votes, and those are Senate Commerce votes. So if you want to see this one get on to the next committee, if you want to see us have a chance to implement this right to repair program, they need to hear from you, and they need to hear from you this morning before 11 o'clock. So you can find contact information and the information for this video and let them know that a wheelchair is a lifeline and a broken wheelchair is a broken lifeline. So let them know, call them up, send them an email, and let's get this thing into the next committee. This has been Jeff. Help us out here.